In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write an article on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to share industry insights, personal stories, or business updates, LinkedIn provides an excellent platform to get your message across to a professional audience. So let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open your LinkedIn account. If you don't have the app or website open yet, take a moment to log in using your preferred browser or mobile app. Once you're successfully logged into your account, have a look at the options available on your homepage. Among these, you'll find an option that says Write Article. Go ahead and click on it. This is your gateway to beginning a new article on LinkedIn. Now that you've accessed the article writing interface, the first thing you might want to do is upload an image. Images can capture attention and set the tone for your article, so choose a relevant image from your computer that complements your content. Once you've uploaded your image, you'll see a blank canvas below where you can begin crafting your article. As you start writing, keep in mind that LinkedIn allows you to enhance connectivity by tagging people or companies. Using the @ symbol will enable you to mention any relevant connections or businesses, adding value to your post and potentially expanding your reach. Additionally, LinkedIn offers a variety of formatting options at the top of this interface. Here, you can make your text bold or italic, which can be particularly useful for emphasizing key points or quotes. You also have the option to add hyperlinks, allowing your readers to explore external sources or additional relevant information. Moreover, you can insert other forms of media like videos or slides to make your article more engaging and dynamic. Once you're satisfied with your content, the next step is to prepare it for publishing. Simply click on the Next button. This will lead you to a preview and review stage to ensure everything looks just right. Take a moment to do a final read-through, checking for any errors or omissions. When you're ready, tap on the Publish button. After a moment, you'll find that your article has been successfully published to your LinkedIn network, where it can start generating views, comments, and engagement. And that's the straightforward process for writing and publishing an article on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you could give it a like. Also, don't forget to leave your thoughts and suggestions in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.